Namaste, this is Khushi Singh and you're watching Sudarshan World. In a surprising turn, the US and Iran have restarted talks, and for the first time in years, there's a small spark of hope. After years of tension, these indirect nuclear talks have started in Oman, and there is a hope that they might lead to a deal that prevents Iran from getting a nuclear weapon and helps ease the growing tensions in the Middle East. Could this be the breakthrough we have all been waiting for? The US and Iran have agreed to meet again on 19th April after their first round of talks. So what is the goal of these talks? It's simple. The US and Iran want to make sure Iran doesn't build a nuclear weapon and avoid a possible crisis in the Middle East. The talks have been described as constructive and respectful by both sides, with the both countries staying in a separate room while Oman's foreign minister acted as a go-between. Even Trump, who famously pulled the US out of the 2015 nuclear deal, says he's open to a new deal as long as Iran doesn't build a nuclear bomb. I want them to thrive, says Trump, showing a shift toward more diplomacy. But Iran has its own need. While it is struggling with a weak economy and power blackouts, Iran wants to get rid of sanctions. However, Iran is clear it won't shut down its nuclear program or talk directly with the US while under sanction. A major issue is Iran's large stockpile of enriched uranium, which experts says is much more than what's needed for peaceful energy. The next round of talk will likely focus on how to reduce the stockpile and how to bring back UN nuclear inspections, which have been blocked for months. These inspections are crucial to make sure Iran's nuclear activities are peaceful. With a deadline in July for possible sanctions, there's little time left for a deal. Both sides need an agreement, and the world is watching to see if this fragile process can turn into something real. The deal could give Iran some economic relief while keeping the region from falling into nuclear arms race. But challenges remain. Hardliners in Iran don't want to give up its nuclear plans. The US has its own concern. As the next round of talks approaches, the pressure is on. Both sides know how important these talks are. Iran's economy is struggling, and the US is hoping for a success after other failed diplomatic efforts. Europe is also keeping an eye on things, since UN sanctions could be reimposed if no agreement is reached. For now, there is a small window of hope, but there's still a long way to go. Will the US and Iran reach a deal before times run out? Can this fragile moment of diplomacy lead to a lasting peace, or will tension rise again? We'll have to wait and see. Till then, keep watching Sudarshan World. That's it for today. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.